Hi friends, welcome to Organic Creations. Hope you all are doing fine. Hope you all are in good health. Today I have come here, with a new video. I have been making a lot of videos on different types of soaps, different variations. So today I thought let me come up with something different. So I have bought a new recipe here. Today what we would be making is a lip balm and a lip scrub. So I will be showing you first how to make a lip scrub, and after which I will also be showing you how to make the lip balm. And there are a few ingredients here that we need before we start making the lip scrub. I would just run you through all the ingredients. Here we have a little beeswax, which I have made it into pieces, so it's very easy in melting the beeswax when you make pieces out of it. And I have, since I'm going to make a strawberry lip scrub and a lip balm, we have a little strawberry powder here. I hope you can see it. It's a little light pink color powder. And we have our oils. I have taken a combination of oils here and butter. Now in this I have taken a combination of oils. I have taken a little almond oil, a little coconut oil and castor oil. Now these oils are very good to keep your lips well hydrated and moisturized. So these oils are very good if you're making a lip balm or lip scrub. Here I have shea butter, which is again extremely moisturizing butter, which will help soften your lips and keep it moisturized. And here we have our granulated sugar. This is what will give us the scrub effect when we make this lip scrub. So what we need to do first here is I'll be melting the beeswax, and then I will be combining with it with the oils. Okay, so here I have melted my beeswax. It takes a lot of time to melt the beeswax. You can, if you have a microwave, you can just microwave it in that. For you can keep checking as you microwave when it gets melted. Otherwise you can also melt it on a double boiler, but it takes a little time. Now we will start with the making of this strawberry lip scrub. So here first we will add our combination of oils that we have taken. Okay, so here we have taken our combination of oils that I had told you, and here we have our melted shea butter. I have just melted this, and now I'm going to put this with the other oils. Okay, and we'll just give it a mix. Now the beeswax is also a little hardened up, so we'll just add the beeswax into this and we'll stir it well. Now if you feel that the beeswax has hardened, you can also keep it in your microwave for some more time to make it a little melt it a little. So I guess we will have to put this a little bit more in the microwave since it's got very hardened, and we'll melt it a little more. So now we have melted the beeswax and the oils again because it had hardened up very quickly, and we need it in the liquid form when we are doing the mixing. So here we have our melted beeswax along with the oils. Now in this we will be adding the strawberry powder which I have taken. Now this strawberry powder works as a good exfoliating agent for the lips, and it is also very it keeps your lips nice and pink and healthy. So it is a really good option to add it in your lip scrub or lip balm. You won't be able to add it, but you can definitely add it in your lip scrub. So we'll just mix this well. We don't want any lumps to be there in the lip scrub. So we just need to mix it very nicely and also a little quickly before this hardens again. But if you feel that your beeswax this mixture is hardening, you can definitely put it in the microwave again. Okay, so now we have this mixture of ours with the beeswax and our strawberry powder. Now we will start before we add the sugar, we will just add a few drops of our flavor oil. Now here, because we have taken strawberry flavor, we are doing a strawberry lip scrub, so I have taken strawberry flavor and we will just add a few drops to this. Please do not add a lot of flavor because when there's too much of it, it gives a little bit of a bitter taste. So please check the quantity, how much needs to be added before you add it. And lastly, we need to add our granulate sugar here, castor sugar. This is what will give us the scrub effect on our lip scrub. Just need to mix it well. If there are any lumps, please try to break all those lumps. There are a few strawberry, small pieces of strawberry powder which is there here, but that's fine because when you use it, when you scrub your lips with it, it will just, it will just blend with it and you can wash it off. There's no problem. Okay, so I have finished adding all the sugar that I had here, and this is how the consistency is of the lip scrub. So this is going to thicken because we've added the beeswax. So after some time, once this cools down, the scrub, it is going to thicken. So it's not going to remain like this texture wise. So when it is cool itself, when it is hot itself, we will put it in the in our container, because afterwards it will be very difficult to pour this in the container. Here I have taken the small little container to put my scrub, because it's a very small quantity that we have made. Okay, so this is how the strawberry lip scrub looks right now, but we need to wait at least for another 10 minutes before it hardens, and we can actually try it a little. I will definitely show you the texture, how it feels when you just apply it on the skin. So we can just keep it for now to cool down, and in the meanwhile we can start with our strawberry lip balm.